This week in Coleman's Kitchen, we're making microwave mug cakes. Get out all your ingredients and a large bowl. The first thing we're going to do is cut 2.5 tablespoons of butter from our stick of butter. So if you look at the packaging, it tells you the tablespoons along the side, so it makes it really easy to cut your butter to 2.5 tablespoons. Just pop it in the microwave about 20 to 30 seconds at a time until it's melted. And once your butter is melted, we are going to add our sugar. Get your spatula and add a 1/2 cup sugar. We're going to need 2 tablespoons light brown sugar. So go ahead and pack the light brown sugar into the tablespoon, so when it comes out, it makes the shape of the spoon. Then you know you measured correctly. And you're going to cream that butter and sugar together using the back of your spatula. Press down the butter and sugar together until it combines really well. Then go ahead and add 1 egg. And we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla as well. Get your whisk out and whisk it really well. You can do this in a stand mixer, but it's super easy to do this by hand. Then we want to add in our 2 tablespoons of oil. Oh, here I added my 1 teaspoon vanilla. And 2 tablespoons of milk. I usually use whole milk when I'm baking, but you can use anything that's in your fridge. You can use your milk substitutes or alternatives. Should be fine. And don't forget a little bit of vinegar, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. So you're only going to fill that 1/4 teaspoon up halfway. Give that a really good whisk so all of your ingredients are really incorporated well together. And now it's going to be time for our dry ingredients. So we're going to add in a 1/2 cup flour. So we're going to scoop the flour from the flour container into our measuring cup. 1/2 cup flour. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. I like kosher salt. Better than table salt. And baking powder to give it rise, 1/4 teaspoon of each. Now we don't want to over mix our dry ingredients with the wet ingredients, because we still want our cake to give a little lift when it goes into the microwave. Even though this is going to come out super fudgy, ooey gooey cake, which is a little different than how we normally would in the oven. So here I'm getting all my toppings ready. You can pick whatever you would like. I got peanut butter, I sliced up a banana, I grabbed some sprinkles and some leftover Halloween candy and got it all ready to go. Whatever you're choosing, you're just going to want it to be pretty small so it fits inside of your mug. So I took my butter paper and I'm just greasing up the sides of 3 mugs. So whatever you have in your house is great. I was using these little ramekin dishes and I filled up, it made about 3 mug cakes for me. You're going to want to leave some room in your mugs for the cake to rise, because it sure will rise in the microwave. And then you just add your toppings in. Here I did an Elvis Presley one of his favorite flavor combos: peanut butter, banana, and chocolate. And you just kind of want to gently get your ingredients into the mugs. There goes the Twix. I did Twix and sprinkles in one, and I mixed them in a little bit. Then I added sprinkles with one of them and banana in the other. And you're going to watch your microwave about 30 seconds at a time. And for sure, it's handy to put a plate underneath your mug. That way, if it spills over, you don't make a mess. And the hardest part is waiting about a minute after it comes out of the microwave before you try it. But you're going to want to wait, or else you will burn your mouth. Don't do that. So here's my 3 microwave mug cakes. I think my favorite was Twix and banana. So enjoy. I can't wait to see your creations. Check us out at colemanskitchen.weebly.com.